Hook, ever wondered why those long strings of letters and numbers pop up when you try to transfer money internationally? It's called an IBAN, and it's pretty crucial. But does Monzo, the popular UK-based digital bank, use one? Context: let's dive into the world of IBANs and see if Monzo fits the mold. What is an IBAN? Definition: an IBAN, or International Bank Account Number, is a standardized format for bank account numbers used primarily in Europe. It's essentially a unique identifier for your bank account, making it easier for international transactions. Purpose: think of it as a global passport for your money. It helps banks verify the recipient's account and route your funds correctly. Structure: an IBAN typically consists of a country code, a check digit, and the national bank account number. It's designed to be easily recognizable and processed by computers. Does Monzo use IBAN? The short answer: yes, Monzo does use IBANs for its customers. If you're based in the UK or the European Economic Area, EEA, you'll be assigned a unique IBAN when you open a Monzo account. Benefits of using IBAN with Monzo: seamless international transfers. Monzo's IBAN makes it a breeze to send and receive money from other countries. No more dealing with complex SWIFT codes or international wire transfers. Faster transactions. IBANs are designed for efficiency, so your transactions are likely to be processed more quickly compared to traditional methods. Lower fees. In many cases, using an IBAN can help you save on international transaction fees. How to find your Monzo IBAN. In-app access. The easiest way to find your Monzo IBAN is to open the app and navigate to your account details. It should be displayed prominently. Account statement. Your Monzo IBAN will also be printed on your account statements. IBAN and Monzo's global expansion. Expanding reach. As Monzo continues to expand its services to new markets, the IBAN plays a vital role in ensuring seamless cross-border transactions. Future plans. While Monzo hasn't announced any specific plans, it's likely that they'll continue to leverage IBANs to offer a more global banking experience. Common misconceptions about IBANs. Myth 1. IBANs are only for international transfers. While IBANs are primarily used for international transactions, they can also be used for domestic payments within countries that have adopted the IBAN standard. Myth 2. IBANs replace national account numbers. IBANs complement national account numbers. They provide an additional layer of standardization and security. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the question, yes, Monzo does use IBANs. This makes it easier for you to send and receive money internationally and enjoy a more seamless banking experience. Call to action. If you're considering opening a Monzo account or already have one, make sure to familiarize yourself with your IBAN. It's a valuable tool for managing your finances both domestically and internationally. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Monzo or IBANs, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.